Ni hao. Hey everyone, this is Joseph. Welcome to the channel. As the world's largest active volcano, Mauna Loa, erupts, Hawaii officials warn of Pele's hair. Piles of long hair-like fibers can be found near volcanic summits in Hawaii. The fibers resemble golden mats of hair, the Park Service says on a page about the phenomena. Quote, when bubbles of gas near the surface of a lava flow burst, it can stretch the skin of the molten lava into long threads, the page said. Pele, short for Pele Haunuamea, is a native Hawaiian deity of fire and volcanoes, Hawaii.com reported. The goddess is said to travel the islands, appearing to people, quote, as a beautiful young woman or as an old woman, sometimes accompanied by a white dog. So it has this image and the fibers are almost in like a figure eight, and we know that the figure eight relates to the magnetic field and possibly the aurora. So maybe she just got the okay from heaven to go ahead and lay out some hair like that.